What's going on, y'all? Sean of Tutoring here with another math challenge that reads as follows. We have this set of numbers here, integers specifically, -9, -5, -3, -1, 0, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And we are asked, what is the smallest possible product of three of these integers? Now, the thing to really kind of like hone in on is this. What's the smallest one? Since we're talking about integers, a lot of times we might think the smallest number is 0, but no. Integers span from every negative number through 0 to every positive number. So the smallest number is going to be the most negative. That said, we need to try to create the biggest product we can using positive and negative numbers, positive and negative integers. Okay, so first off, we're definitely going to start with this one, -9. Now, we may not necessarily, we won't use -5 because in magnitude that is smaller than 7. So we'll do -9 times 7, which will give us a negative number. And we want to keep it negative. So what can we multiply this by to keep the number negative? We can go and multiply it by 5 here. Okay. So we have -9 times 7 is going to be -63. And then 63 times 5, or -63 times 5, what is that? -315. All right, so the smallest possible product is 315. Let me know if you got this answer or if you have any questions about it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good one.